Are you tired of trying every diet in the book and still not seeing the results you want? Well, what if we told you that there's a way to lose weight while still enjoying delicious food? That's right, we're talking about a vegan diet. In this video, we're going to explain why a vegan diet is the best choice for weight loss and how you can start your journey to a healthier you. So, get ready to learn and be amazed. Hello, Jacob here and welcome to Vegan Life. In this video, we'll be discussing the benefits of a plant-based diet and how it can help you lose weight. We'll also be debunking some common myths about veganism and giving you some tips on how to start your vegan journey. So, let's dive in. Before we continue, I ask you please leave your like and subscribe to this channel, because this way you will help other people achieve weight loss and will receive contents like this every day. First off, let's talk about why a vegan diet is so effective for weight loss. A vegan diet is naturally lower in calories and fat than a diet that includes meat and dairy. This means that you can eat more food while still consuming fewer calories, which is a win-win situation when it comes to weight loss. Plus, many plant-based foods are high in fiber, which helps you feel full and satisfied, making it easier to stick to your diet. Another benefit of a vegan diet is that it can help improve your overall health. Studies have shown that a plant-based diet can reduce the risk of chronic diseases such as heart disease, diabetes, and cancer. By eating a healthy diet, you'll not only lose weight, but you'll also improve your overall health and reduce your risk of disease. In addition to being lower in calories and fat, a plant-based diet can also boost your metabolism. Many plant-based foods are rich in nutrients and antioxidants that can help improve your body's ability to burn fat and calories. For example, green tea contains catechins, which have been shown to increase metabolism and reduce body fat. Additionally, fiber-rich foods such as whole grains, fruits, and vegetables can help regulate blood sugar levels and reduce cravings, which can lead to fewer calories consumed overall. By incorporating more plant-based foods into your diet, you may find that you naturally slim down without having to resort to extreme diets or calorie counting. And I have an advice for you. Are you ready to achieve your dream body with the power of nature? Try Alpillion, the exclusive slimming product made with 100% natural plant extracts. With Alpillion, you can slim down and feel great without any harmful chemicals or side effects. So, what are you waiting for? Click the link in the description to learn more and get started on your journey to a healthier you with Alpillion today. Now, let's address some common myths about veganism that may be holding you back from making the switch. The first myth is that you won't get enough protein on a vegan diet. However, there are plenty of plant-based sources of protein, such as beans, lentils, tofu, and tempeh. In fact, many vegan athletes and bodybuilders have shown that you can build muscle and be just as strong on a vegan diet. The second myth is that veganism is expensive. While it's true that some vegan products can be pricey, a vegan diet can actually be quite affordable if you stick to whole foods such as fruits, vegetables, grains, and legumes. These foods are often cheaper than meat and dairy products and are readily available at most grocery stores. If you're ready to start your vegan journey, here are some tips to help you get started. 1. Start by incorporating more plant-based foods into your diet gradually. Try swapping out one meal a day for a vegan meal and gradually increase from there. 2. Experiment with different vegan recipes and foods to find what you like. There are plenty of delicious vegan options out there, so don't be afraid to try something new. 3. Get support from others who are on a similar journey. Join a vegan community or find a friend who is also interested in veganism. Having support can make all the difference. Just now I made an amazing video giving more tips to start in veganism. I'll leave it on the final screen and in the description of this video here for you to check. A vegan diet is a great choice for weight loss and overall health. By choosing plant-based foods, you can consume fewer calories while still feeling satisfied and full. Plus, a vegan diet can reduce your risk of chronic diseases and improve your overall health. So, why not give it a try? Start by incorporating more plant-based foods into your diet and see how you feel. We hope you found this video informative and helpful. Thank you for watching.